So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit the text color or font color here on Canva using Canva Desktop. So once Canva's opened up, go to the left-hand side, press on text, and add some text to your design. So by default for me, the text is black. Now if you want to change the color to whatever, simply just go ahead. I'll just make it a little bit larger here. Press on the text, open up this top bar right here. Press on where it says A, or I guess text color with the sort of color bar below it. Press on that to open up this color feature. You can select a default color if you want. So you can go ahead and select, green, blue, red, whatever the case may be. But what also you can do as well, go to the add a new color right here. You can kind of get creative and specific in regards to what shade of red you want. So you can go, this shade of red right here. You can slide this bar, go to yellow, or make it more of like a yellowish green color, whatever the case may be. You can kind of play around with that, whatever you guys want. So for example, if you wanted that, there you go. The color is now sort of like an aqua or a teal color. So very straightforward, very simple, but that is how to edit or adjust the text color here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.